In this video, we show business customers how to set up a business self-serve portal account. In a web browser, visit bell.ca, and along the top, click Business, then choose Small and Medium. At the top right, click Login/Register. Then, Register Now. Under Business Self-Serve, click Register Now. Next, enter your email address and continue. Using information found on your latest bill, you can link your bill by using your e-bill code or billing account number. Then continue. Finally, enter your profile information. Review the information and confirm the information. And, well, that's it. With Bell, it's that easy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.